Did scientists just find a new planet in our solar system? Scientists have discovered a new planet beyond Pluto in our solar system, and it might be real. Our solar system is incredibly large, and there are probably many things we don't know about it. For centuries, humans have known about planets like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These 8 planets are visible from Earth, and they orbit the Sun in a predictable manner. Pluto, once considered the 9th planet, was reclassified as a dwarf planet by the International Astronomical Union in 2006. This decision was made because Pluto does not clear its orbital path around the Sun. As astronomers continue to study the outer reaches of our solar system, they have found evidence of a potential new planet, which some call Planet X. This mysterious planet is believed to be about 10 times the mass of Earth and 20 times farther from the Sun than Neptune. Its existence is suggested by the gravitational effects it appears to have on other objects in the Kuiper Belt, a region of the solar system beyond Neptune filled with icy bodies and dwarf planets. The planet is thought to have an elongated orbit that takes between 10,000 and 20,000 years to complete. While no one has directly observed Planet X, astronomers have inferred its presence from the clustering of objects in the Kuiper Belt. These objects' orbits appear to be influenced by a massive unseen body. Despite extensive searches, the planet has remained elusive, likely because it is so far from the Sun that it reflects very little light. Some scientists propose that instead of a planet, these gravitational effects might be caused by a primordial black hole. Primordial black holes are hypothetical remnants from the Big Bang, and they could be as small as an atom, but incredibly dense. If Planet X is indeed a black hole, it would be nearly impossible to detect using traditional telescopes. The search for Planet X continues with advanced telescopes like the Large Synoptic Survey Telescope, LSST, which is expected to begin operation soon. The LSST will have the capability to survey the entire sky and may help confirm the existence of Planet X or a black hole. Until then, astronomers rely on computer models and indirect observations to understand the mysterious forces at the edge of our solar system. Whether Planet X is a massive planet or a primordial black hole, its discovery would provide valuable insights into the dynamics and evolution of our solar system. The quest to uncover hidden planets within our solar system spans a lengthy history. By 1900, astronomers had discovered 7 additional planets, making a total of 8 known planets in our solar system. However, in 1902, American astronomer Percival Lowell proposed the existence of a 9th planet. At that time, Lowell was studying Mars and attempting to prove the presence of intelligent life, as many astronomers believed Martians inhabited the red planet. Consequently, Lowell immersed himself in understanding the solar system and the planets known during that era. His research led him to suspect a 9th planet due to peculiarities he observed in the relationship between the orbits of other planets, meteor showers, and comets. He noted something unusual affecting the orbits of Uranus and Neptune. In 1905, Lowell commenced his search for this elusive planet, but never succeeded. Lowell passed away in 1916, but another American astronomer would eventually discover this mysterious 9th planet. On February 18, 1930, American astronomer Clyde Tombaugh identified this celestial object, which was subsequently named Pluto. Indeed, Pluto was initially known as Planet X. Why mention this history? Because it appears that history is repeating itself, and astronomers are once again observing strange phenomena in the solar system. However, locating planets on the solar system's periphery is not as simple as it may seem, even with modern technology. There could even be more than one planet awaiting discovery. According to astronomer Man-Ho Chan from the Education University of Hong Kong, Planet X could have up to 20 moons, each about 62 miles in diameter. Chan suggests these moons would be heated by tidal forces from Planet X, raising their temperatures to around -280 degrees Fahrenheit. While this may not seem warm, it is significantly warmer than the Kuiper Belt's average temperature of -370 degrees Fahrenheit. An example of such a heated moon is Io, which orbits Jupiter and has a volcanically active, extremely hot molten core due to intense tidal heating. If Planet X has moons and they generate similar heat, they may emit faint radio signals detectable by the new Webb Telescope when it becomes operational. The hunt for Planet X continues. Remember the possibility of two planets? Astronomers have been exploring the cold and mysterious Oort cloud at the solar system's edge. They now suggest that this vast collection of icy objects, stretching from a few 100 billion to several trillion miles from the Sun, could conceal an alien exoplanet. How did this idea emerge? An international research team simulated the unstable mechanics of the early solar system and found the possibility that one or more planet-sized bodies settled in the Oort cloud. Around 4.5 billion years ago, the solar system's formation was chaotic. Rapidly cooling protoplanetary dust clouds sent debris in all directions, including large rock pieces and planet-sized chunks that could have been thrown far enough to escape the sun's gravity. Interestingly, astronomers have observed rogue planets wandering in other distant solar systems. Alternatively, a Neptune-like planet from another solar system might have been captured by the sun's gravity and settled in the Oort cloud, with a roughly 7% probability. If such a Planet X exists, it would likely be too distant to influence Neptune's orbit and remain difficult to detect. Perhaps Planet X or another theoretical alien planet does not exist. It could be something entirely different. Some physicists propose that Planet X is not a planet, but a primordial black hole. The late physicist Stephen Hawking suggested that such black holes, remnants of the Big Bang, could range from the size of an atom to 100,000 times larger than the Sun. These physicists believe this black hole is the size of a bowling ball, explaining the gravitational and orbital anomalies and why telescopes have not detected anything. For now, we rely on computer models and theories without physical evidence. Remember, it took a long time to find the dwarf planet Pluto, and no one initially thought it existed. Stay tuned, as we will update you if Planet X is discovered. That's all for now. If you enjoyed this information, please give it a like. We appreciate our viewers. Thank you for watching.